Fulfilling the promise of full disclosure. The definition of full disclosure is the combination of two words. Together, the translation would be the action of making complete information known. However, in healthcare, the definition of full disclosure is limited. It is not complete. In fact, if you Google it, the top of the search brings you to a 1993 article that defines it as 24 hours of ECG tracing stored in computer memory. What is even more concerning is that full disclosure in healthcare hasn't really evolved. Today, the only evolution is that you can now access the history up to 96 hours, you can access it from a computer, and in some cases send a snippet to the EMR. So the burning question is, how can you possibly call this full when the record is in no way complete? Don't you need to see data back farther than 96 hours? What about other signals coming off the cardiac monitor, not to mention other devices like vents? And what about patient information such as labs and meds or alarms? Don't you really need all of this to create a complete record? Introducing Patient HX, the first and only complete full disclosure solution for healthcare. Patient HX is the only solution to provide access to all vitals and waveforms across all connected devices from 1 second to 1 year, with alarms, labs, and meds, and all fused together in one web-based view. Patient HX enables new workflows that have never been available before. It allows you to go back in time to build a complete trend and quickly determine the root cause of an event. Send the full URL and snippet to the EMR for enhanced documentation, or take care of patients first and document later. You can leverage the data to monitor a patient's response to a procedure or intervention, such as vent weeding or a med order, or use it for protocol audits, such as alarm limit changes, sentinel event compliance, quality improvement tracking, even charge capture such as time on vent. There really are so many possibilities to using this complete historical data to improve care and outcomes. Patient HX makes complete patient information known. Patient HX makes full disclosure in healthcare a reality. Contact us today to see how you can fulfill the promise of full disclosure at your facility. Medical informatics, saving lives bit by bit.